Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure rental properties with Apartment Finder easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Apartment Finder website. Once you're on the home page, look for the search bar at the top. Enter your desired location in the search bar. You can specify the type of apartment you're looking for. To narrow down your search, use the filters available on the left side of the screen. These filters allow you to select your price range, number of bedrooms, and amenities. After setting your filters, click on the search button. A list of available rental properties will appear based on your criteria. Review the listings to find options that interest you. Click on a specific listing to view more details. Inside the listing, you will see high-quality images and a description of the property. Take note of key information such as rent, square footage, and lease terms. If you find a property you like, look for the contact information of the property manager. You may also find an option to schedule a tour directly from the listing. If available, add the property to your favorites for easy tracking. To compare multiple properties, use the comparison feature. This will allow you to see the pros and cons of each option side by side. Once you have made your decision, contact the property manager via the provided information. Prepare any necessary documents, such as proof of income and references. Set up a time to view the property if you haven't done so yet. During the visit, ask any questions you may have about the leasing process. After your visit, if you decide to apply, follow the application instructions in the listing. Fill out the application accurately and submit it along with any required fees. Wait for a response from the property manager regarding your application status. If approved, review the lease agreement thoroughly before signing. Once signed, arrange for any necessary deposits or initial payments. Finally, prepare for your move-in day by setting up utilities and planning your move. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.